현대인 군대 사용 기술建筑 레지 통원항 미술 군주다 망소 제기 샤세 텐베마다 겹제 용제 미술 도시 창춘을 양신 주주를 무채 제주 딘진 농도 til에 처바 배상부초 호골어제 실수리군 슈고군도 가대 친구 탭수당 30대 시대의 슈
백혈로 지금인데 때문에 하고 있기 때문에 하나씩 스위스 미국적 전주다 아니 그리 속을 청소
to this interactive session. It's a huge honor to have you here with us. Thank you very much for this opportunity. And
taking blessing for taking some sort of rituals, but the authentic the teachings from India, from the Nalanda tradition, and Nalanda was the one can say that in the ancient history was the one of the most important sort of educational universities or a college town, one can say. It was not only about Buddhism, the subjects were taught. Many subjects such as physics, such as mathematics, philosophy, and then of course Buddhist philosophy, and students from all over the world came, from China to Korea, from Iran, from Persia, so from Tibet. It was a educational hub, and of course the Buddhist philosophy and thorough practice of Buddhist subjects were taught there. So this is one of the most renowned Buddhist, or one would say university, because there were also non-monks, lay people also studying there at that time. So,
but by time he became one of his closest confidant. How would you describe your relationship to His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama?
yes. Where did you see this?